Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of SEO, or search engine optimization. If you've ever wondered how websites appear at the top of Google or Bing search results, SEO is the answer. It's a set of strategies and techniques that help websites rank higher in search engine results pages, making them more visible to people searching for related topics. In this video, we'll break down what SEO is, why it matters, and how it actually works behind the scenes. Whether you're a business owner, a blogger, or just curious, understanding SEO can help you reach more people online. Let's get started by exploring the basics. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's the process of optimizing your website so that search engines like Google can easily find, understand, and recommend your content to users. Think of SEO as a way to make your website more attractive to both search engines and people. By following SEO best practices, you improve your chances of ranking higher in search results, which can lead to more visitors and potential customers. SEO isn't just about keywords. It's about creating a great user experience, providing valuable information, and making your site easy to navigate. Why should you care about SEO? Well, most people use search engines to find information, products, or services online. If your website doesn't show up in search results, you're missing out on a huge audience. Good SEO helps you get discovered by people who are already interested in what you offer. It can drive more traffic to your site, increase your credibility, and even boost your sales. In today's digital world, having a strong SEO strategy is essential for anyone who wants to succeed online. To understand SEO, it helps to know how search engines work. Search engines, like Google, use automated programs called crawlers or spiders to scan the internet. These crawlers visit websites, read their content, and follow links to discover new pages. The information they gather is stored in a massive database called an index. When you type a query into a search engine, it quickly searches its index to find the most relevant results. The order in which results appear is determined by complex algorithms that consider hundreds of factors. Crawling is the first step in how search engines discover your website. Crawlers, also known as bots or spiders, systematically browse the internet, visiting web pages and collecting information about them. They look at the text, images, links, and even the structure of your site. If your website is easy for crawlers to access and understand, it's more likely to be included in the search engine's index. That's why having a well-organized site with clear navigation is so important for SEO. After crawling, search engines move to the indexing stage. Indexing is the process of storing and organizing the information collected from web pages. When your site is indexed, it means the search engine has analyzed its content and added it to its database. This allows your pages to be retrieved and displayed in search results when someone searches for relevant keywords. If your site isn't indexed, it simply won't appear in search results, no matter how good your content is. Once your website is indexed, search engines use ranking algorithms to decide where your pages should appear in search results. These algorithms consider hundreds of factors, such as keyword relevance, site quality, user experience, and backlinks from other websites. The goal is to show users the most helpful and trustworthy results for their queries. Understanding these ranking factors can help you optimize your site and improve your chances of ranking higher. SEO isn't just one thing, it's made up of several different types. The main categories are on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. On-page SEO focuses on optimizing the content and structure of your website. Off-page SEO involves building authority through backlinks and social signals. Technical SEO deals with the behind-the-scenes aspects, like site speed, mobile friendliness, and security. Each type plays a crucial role in your overall SEO strategy. On-page SEO is all about optimizing the elements you control on your own website. This includes using relevant keywords in your content, writing compelling titles and meta descriptions, organizing your pages with headings, and making sure your site is easy to navigate. On-page SEO also involves optimizing images, improving page load speed, and ensuring your site works well on mobile devices. All these factors help search engines understand your content and provide a better experience for your visitors. Off-page SEO refers to actions taken outside your own website to impact your rankings within search engine results pages. The most important aspect of off-page SEO is building high-quality backlinks from other reputable sites. These backlinks act as votes of confidence, signaling to search engines that your content is trustworthy and valuable. Other off-page SEO tactics include social media marketing, influencer outreach, and online reputation management. Technical SEO focuses on the back-end structure of your website. This includes making sure your site loads quickly, is secure with HTTPS, and is mobile-friendly. It also involves creating an XML sitemap, using structured data, and fixing broken links or errors. Technical SEO helps search engines crawl and index your site more effectively, which can improve your rankings and user experience. Keyword research is a fundamental part of SEO. It involves finding out what words and phrases people use when searching for information related to your business or topic. By targeting the right keywords, you can create content that matches what your audience is looking for. Tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush can help you discover popular and relevant keywords. Effective keyword research helps you attract the right visitors to your site. Optimizing your content means making sure it's valuable, relevant, and easy to read. Use your target keywords naturally throughout your text, but avoid keyword stuffing. Break up your content with headings, bullet points, and images to make it more engaging. High-quality content answers users' questions and encourages them to stay longer on your site. The better your content, the more likely it is to rank well in search results. Meta tags and descriptions are snippets of text that describe your page's content to search engines and users. The title tag appears as the clickable headline in search results, while the meta description provides a brief summary. Well-written meta tags can improve your click-through rate and help search engines understand your page. Make sure each page on your site has unique and relevant meta tags. A clean and descriptive URL structure helps both users and search engines understand what your page is about. Use short, readable URLs that include relevant keywords. Avoid using random numbers or symbols. For example, use www.example.com/SEO-basics instead of www.example.com/page?ID=123. Good URL structure can improve your site's SEO and make it easier for people to share your links. Internal links are links that connect different pages within your own website. They help users navigate your site and allow search engines to discover and index more of your content. Effective internal linking can boost the SEO of important pages and keep visitors engaged longer. Make sure your links use descriptive anchor text and are relevant to the content they're linking to. External links point from your website to other reputable sites. Linking to high-quality, relevant sources can improve your site's credibility and provide additional value to your visitors. Search engines view external links as a sign that your content is well-researched and trustworthy. Just make sure you're linking to reliable sources and not overdoing it. With more people browsing the web on their phones, mobile optimization is a must for SEO. Your website should look and function well on all devices, including smartphones and tablets. Responsive design, fast loading times, and easy navigation are key. Google also uses mobile-first indexing, which means it primarily uses the mobile version of your site for ranking and indexing. Site speed is a crucial ranking factor for SEO. Slow-loading websites frustrate users and can lead to higher bounce rates. Search engines prefer sites that load quickly, especially on mobile devices. Optimize your images, use efficient coding practices, and leverage browser caching to improve your site's speed. A faster website not only helps your SEO, but also keeps visitors happy. Security is another important aspect of SEO. Websites that use HTTPS encryption are favored by search engines and provide a safer experience for users. HTTPS protects data exchanged between your site and its visitors. If your site isn't secure, browsers may warn users, which can hurt your credibility and rankings. Make sure your website uses an SSL certificate to enable HTTPS. An XML sitemap is a file that lists all the important pages on your website. It helps search engines find and index your content more efficiently. Submitting an XML sitemap to Google Search Console or Bing Webmaster Tools can speed up the indexing process and ensure that all your pages are discoverable. Keeping your sitemap updated is a good SEO practice. Structured data is a way of organizing information on your website so that search engines can better understand it. By using special code called schema markup, you can highlight important details like reviews, events, or products. This can lead to rich snippets in search results, which make your listing stand out and attract more clicks. Backlinks are links from other websites to your own. They're one of the most important ranking factors in SEO. High-quality backlinks from reputable sites signal to search engines that your content is trustworthy and authoritative. Building backlinks takes time and effort, but it can have a big impact on your rankings and online reputation. Social signals refer to the engagement your content receives on social media platforms, such as likes, shares, and comments. While social signals aren't a direct ranking factor, they can increase your content's visibility and drive more traffic to your site. The more people share and interact with your content, the more likely it is to attract backlinks and gain authority. User experience, or UX, is a key part of SEO. Search engines want to show users the best possible results, so they favor websites that are easy to use, visually appealing, and provide valuable information. Good UX includes fast loading times, clear navigation, mobile friendliness, and engaging content. Improving your site's UX can help you rank higher and keep visitors coming back. Bounce rate measures the percentage of visitors who leave your site after viewing just one page. Dwell time is how long users stay on your site before returning to search results. Both metrics can indicate how engaging and relevant your content is. Lower bounce rates and longer dwell times are positive signals for SEO, showing that visitors find your site useful. Local SEO helps businesses promote their products and services to local customers. It involves optimizing your website for location-based searches, such as restaurants near me, claiming your Google My Business listing, getting reviews, and using local keywords can improve your visibility in local search results. Local SEO is especially important for brick-and-mortar businesses. With the rise of smart speakers and voice assistants, optimizing for voice search is becoming more important. Voice searches are often longer and more conversational than typed queries. To optimize for voice search, focus on natural language, answer common questions, and use structured data to help search engines understand your content. Image SEO involves optimizing your images so they can be found in search results. Use descriptive file names, add alt text, and compress images for faster loading. Properly optimized images can drive additional traffic to your site through image search and improve your overall SEO performance. Video content is increasingly popular, and optimizing your videos can help them appear in search results. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Add transcripts and captions to make your videos more accessible. Hosting videos on platforms like YouTube can also increase your reach and drive more traffic to your website. Tracking your SEO performance is essential for improvement. Tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console let you monitor your traffic, see which keywords are driving visitors, and identify areas for optimization. Regularly reviewing your analytics helps you make data-driven decisions and refine your SEO strategy over time. There are many tools available to help with SEO. Some popular options include SEMrush, Ahrefs, Moz, and Google Search Console. These tools can help you with keyword research, site audits, backlink analysis, and performance tracking. Using the right tools can save you time and provide valuable insights into your SEO efforts. Even experienced website owners can make SEO mistakes. Common errors include keyword stuffing, using duplicate content, neglecting mobile optimization, and ignoring technical issues. These mistakes can hurt your rankings and make it harder for users to find your site. Regularly auditing your site and staying updated on SEO best practices can help you avoid these pitfalls. There are many myths about SEO, such as the idea that you need to submit your site to Google or that more keywords always mean better rankings. In reality, search engines find and index sites automatically, and keyword stuffing can actually hurt your rankings. Focus on providing value to users and following best practices for long-term success. SEO and content marketing go hand in hand. Creating high-quality, relevant content is one of the best ways to improve your SEO. Blog posts, articles, videos, and infographics can all attract visitors and earn backlinks. Consistently publishing valuable content helps you build authority and rank higher in search results. E-commerce websites have unique SEO needs. Product pages should include detailed descriptions, high-quality images, and customer reviews. Use structured data to highlight prices and availability. Optimize category pages and make sure your site is easy to navigate. Good SEO can help your online store attract more shoppers and increase sales. Blogging is a powerful way to boost your SEO. Each blog post is an opportunity to target new keywords and provide valuable information to your audience. Use catchy headlines, include internal and external links, and encourage readers to share your posts. Regularly updating your blog keeps your site fresh and signals to search engines that your content is current. Small businesses can benefit greatly from SEO. By targeting local keywords, optimizing Google My Business, and building a strong online presence, small businesses can compete with larger companies. Focus on providing excellent service and encouraging satisfied customers to leave positive reviews online. Every little bit helps when building your SEO foundation. Large enterprises face unique SEO challenges, such as managing thousands of pages and coordinating efforts across multiple teams. Enterprise SEO involves advanced strategies like automation, international targeting, and detailed analytics. Consistency, scalability, and collaboration are key to maintaining strong search visibility at scale. SEO is always evolving. Recent trends include the rise of AI-powered search, increased focus on user intent, and the importance of EAT, expertise, authoritiveness, trustworthiness. Staying updated on the latest trends and algorithm changes can help you stay ahead of the competition and maintain strong rankings. Search engines regularly update their algorithms to improve the quality of search results. Major updates can impact rankings, so it's important to stay informed and adapt your SEO strategies as needed. Focus on providing value to users and following best practices to weather any algorithm changes. International SEO helps your website reach audiences in different countries and languages. This involves using hreflang tags, creating region-specific content, and optimizing for local search engines. International SEO can expand your reach and open up new markets for your business. Making your website accessible to all users, including those with disabilities, is not only the right thing to do, but also benefits your SEO. Use descriptive alt text for images, clear headings, and accessible navigation. Search engines favor sites that are easy for everyone to use, which can improve your rankings and reach. SEO isn't a one-time task, it requires ongoing maintenance. Regularly update your content, fix broken links, monitor your analytics, and stay informed about industry changes. Consistent maintenance helps you maintain and improve your rankings over time, ensuring your website continues to attract visitors. In summary, SEO is the art and science of making your website more visible in search engine results. By understanding how search engines work and applying best practices in on-page, off-page, and technical SEO, you can attract more visitors and grow your online presence. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process that requires patience, effort, and a willingness to adapt. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your website climb the search rankings.